rolling. The ball is rolling down the hill. Shake, shaking. She is shaking the bottle before opening it. Wave, waving. He is waving goodbye to his friend. Point, pointing. She is pointing at the map. Clap, clapping. They are clapping after the performance. Snap, snapping. He is snapping his fingers to the beat. Nod, nodding. She is nodding to show agreement. Bow, bowing. The actor is bowing after the play. Glide, gliding. The bird is gliding through the air. Slide, sliding. The kids are sliding down the slide. Hug, hugging. She is hugging her friend tightly. Kiss, kissing. He is kissing his mother on the cheek. Wink, winking. She is winking at her friend playfully. Flirt, flirting. He is flirting with her at the party. Cough, coughing. She is coughing because of the cold. Sneeze, sneezing. He is sneezing loudly during the meeting. Yawn, yawning. She is yawning because she feels sleepy. Shiver, shivering. He is shivering in the cold weather. Smile, smiling. She is smiling when she sees her friend. Blink, blinking. He is blinking because the light is too bright. Listen, listening. They are listening to music together. Touch, touching. She is touching the soft fabric. Feel, feeling. He is feeling happy today. See, seeing. She is seeing a rainbow in the sky. Hear, hearing. He is hearing the birds singing. Taste, tasting. She is tasting the delicious cake. Smell, smelling. He is smelling the flowers in the garden. Kick, kicking. The player is kicking the ball into the goal. Punch, punching. He is punching the punching bag. Push, pushing. She is pushing the door open. Pull, pulling. He is pulling the rope with all his strength. Lift, lifting. She is lifting the heavy box. Carry, carrying. He is carrying the groceries to the car. Throw, throwing. She is throwing the ball to her friend. Catch, catching. He is catching the ball with one hand. Drop, dropping. She is dropping the keys on the floor. Bend, bending. He is bending to pick up the paper. Spin, spinning. The dancer is spinning gracefully. Run, running. She is running in the park every morning. Walk, walking. He is walking to school right now. Jump, jumping. The kids are jumping on the trampoline. Eat, eating. I am eating breakfast at the moment. Drink, drinking. He is drinking water after exercising. Sleep, sleeping. The baby is sleeping peacefully. Write, writing. She is writing a letter to her friend. Learn, learning. He is learning a new word every day. Think, thinking. She is thinking about her next vacation. Laugh, laughing. They are laughing at the funny joke. Laughing at the funny joke. Cry, crying.